Hi there, welcome back to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, My Yard is My Garage. We're going to be working on our 1969 project car today, and we're going to be working on the floor. We're going to be doing some welding. You can see we have our repaired section over here, and down here we're going to cut some of this out. We're going to go ahead and clean that, prep it, grind on it, going to put some weld through primer on it, and then we're going to go ahead and use our new gas welder. We're going to fix that up, clean it. Of course, I said that already. Oh, heck, let's just run this. All right, let's work on safety first here. All right, get these on. We're going to also be putting on some ear protection. We're going to be using our snippers. Cut this out, and then, oh yes, and then, where is it? We will be test fitting this. This is our torsion bar bracket we got several months ago. And we will be taking this bracket, sliding it under here. We will hang it over here. We'll probably have to bend the ears, stick it up into here, smack them down, and then that's called test fitting. Yeah, let's get started on that. Alright, so in this area, you can see where, there's a little bit of a delete. So I'm going to clean up these edges, kind of pound this flat, and that'll give us a spot to put a patch in. I'll need to put that patch in first before we do the torsion bar bracket box, which is it.
2 weeks later.
All right, roughed up. Let's get some welding primer on this and measure out our patch. All right, that is enough cutting for today. We need to wander over to Home Depot, get a piece of, 16 gauge steel, 5.5 inches by 6. We'll bend that to be that little patch that we need right on the passenger side. Then we'll weld that in. Then we can test fit our torsion bar bracket box. So I think that's enough work for today. It's 32 degrees out here. I'm freezing my butt off. Hey, thanks for coming along on this project, working on our 1969 Charger. I thank you for coming by my yard. My name's Bishop. Thanks again for all your support. Click the bell if you want to be notified when I've got new content, and hit the subscribe if you want to hang around for this project and, well, some of the other projects that I've got going on. Thank you again. Have a happy holiday, and we'll see you soon.